Personalized medicine is a term that has been coined in the early 90s. I think many of you may remember that in the 90s there was a lot of government and private investment in sequencing our genome. So sequencing the DNA of humans. And what was the goal for that, or the reason for that, is to really get an understanding of all the genes and what role they play. And in relation to personalized medicine, what role different genes play in different diseases. So with the advent of sequencing of the genome, sequencing of the human DNA, not only the human DNA, but the DNAs of other species, of other animals, to really get an understanding, what's the function of different genes, but most importantly, what are the function of different genes in different diseases. And the goal there was to understand the role of these genes, understand the role of defects of those genes in different disease states, and then to develop drugs that would address those different defects. That's one aspect of personalized medicine. Another aspect is to really look at, understand the sequence of different individuals, and realize that while we are about 99% identical to each and every one, even though we have different color of hair, different color of eyes, we're very similar at the genetic level. But we may have differences, slight differences, that not allow us, but make us respond or react to different drugs in a different way. So you think about diabetes. Is diabetes caused by one gene? No, it's caused by a multitude of genes. And so if I have diabetes and a friend of mine has diabetes, it's probably likely that each of us have mutations in different genes. So the goal is to say, Sandra has a mutation in these genes, her friend has a mutation in different genes, maybe they need to be treated with different drugs. And so there are different drugs that are being developed right now with that in mind. And maybe in future generations, we will have more medicines that are better targeted to different individuals. And that is the term personalized medicine. So medicines developed for different people.